Ah, oh my god. So boring. I don't have hey. Oh! Hey! Hey!
Oh, I know you. You are my friend.
Oh, you are my friend. Oh yeah, baby.
What the?
Hey! You want to see? Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Say hello to everyone.
Oh my god. Look at your behind you. I ban him. She she is my friend and I block him. So
no, that's my card. That's my card. Oh no.
Tutorial how to get far away fling. First guys. Yeah. Like this and down and like that. Oh, wait a minute. And you one of these again like this like that, and she died. So you want more? Yeah. Okay, so first again, listen to me, guys. Like this, and put like a birdie, and slap him, and go into the down, and
go far away.
And, bah! Like that. Good. Ah!
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. For my subscribers, do this.
What the fuck?
Hey, this is the tutorial. Wait. Okay. First, hold it.
Oh my god. Where am I?
And then
Where am I?
go him down like this.
Yeah.
And then step on him from
Yeah.
the back.
And
And go look up. Nice. You have to do it. Okay. If you didn't watch it, here's the tutorial again. Hold him on the feet.
and
Go him down.
and
Go to the back of your enemy.
and
then
go up.
Oops. Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Ah.
Hold him on the feet. Look him down. Okay. And go to the back of your enemy and look up.
And
Congratulations.
throw.
Now.
And throw like this, guys. First like this, and look down and oops, sorry. And yeah, like that. So you want to see again? So
I think my voice chat is gonna suspend in 2 seconds.
Okay. Bye guys. Wow.